So we continue with the nomenclature. So in the nomenclature, we first of all we can just recap a bit. So first thing is you have the root. The root is going to give you the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain of the compound. The longest chain of the compound will give the root. The type of bond present inside will give you the primary suffix. That is, if it is single bond, it will be ane, double bond ene, and triple bond ine. And then whether what kind of the functional group present over there will give you the secondary suffix. It could be alcohol के लिए OH. This OH is alcohol, which is OL. All लग जाएगा उस end में. Al लग जाएगा if aldehydes. Oic acid लग जाएगा in case of carboxylic acid. 1 in case of ketone. Then there is ether. And finally the chlorofluorobromoiodo, which is the prefix, and also the alkyls will be prefix. The next what we see is the numbering. The numbering will be always such that the lowest number will be given. So numbering will be given only to the main chain. Only the main chain gets the number, and the numbering will be such that the lowest number is given to the carbon which is nearest to a functional group. So one which is nearest to the functional group will get the lowest number. Within the functional group, if there are two functional groups in the same, then it will be going alphabetically. Okay, within the functional group it will go alphabetically. Between the functional group and the alkyl group, now alkyl group is slightly separate. So within the functional group and the alkyl group, the functional group gets a lower number and alkyl group gets a higher number. Now within the alkyls, it will be, see, if there is no other functional group, only alkyls are there. In that case, the lower alkyl gets a lower number, higher alkyl gets a higher number. Okay, so if it is the ethane is there and the ethyl is there and the methyl is there, then the methyl gets a lower number, ethyl will get a higher number. But while writing, you are going to write it in alphabetical form. That's why ethyl will come first and methyl will come next. Okay, this is very important over here. Now we see is the next part, and that is what will happen when you are having these kinds, that is alkenes and alkynes over here. So when there is alkenes and alkynes over here, we are going to have the different these primary suffixes are going to change. Accordingly, it will be this way, that suppose we have it over here at CH3, this is CH, and okay, we will take it as, I better draw this. It's always easier to draw rather than writing it in this form. So suppose it is this way, and one more H over here. So this is the figure what is given to us. So I know here it is only 2. So the root is ith. So it will be root as ith. Now there is a double bond here. So the primary suffix will be ene. So it will be ene. But here I will need to know where it is placed. So this is 1 and this is 2. So it is placed at 1. So it is eth 1 ene. Okay, it will be eth 1 ene. And here the chloro is at 1. So it will be 1 chloro eth 1 ene. So it will be given as 1 chloro eth 1 ene. Or suppose we take it in a different manner. So we have got 2 chlorine over here. So they are given here as 2 chlorine like this. So in that case, you are going to have it as the name as 1, 2. So it will be 1, 2 dichloro. You can directly write as ethene. Eth 1 का जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा क्योंकि there is only one possibility. But anyway, you can write it easily. So it is 1, 2 dichloro eth 1 ene. We can have another example which could be here, that is CH3CH, then double bond C, and then it is C, and then this is CH3 over here, and CH2 and CH3. So in this case again what we have is the numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this gets the lowest number. So accordingly it will be 5, so it will be pent. And then you have got it as 2, so 2 ene, and this will be 3-methyl. So the name will be 3-methyl pentene. Okay, so this will give you the example that how the names are given. So writing the structural form, similarly you can also convert it into ulta form. Like for example, if this is the name given to me, so if this is the name given to me, how can I draw the structure diagram? So structure diagram will be simply that this is, I know the root over here, pen, so it will be I'll be drawing 5 C's. Then I know that at 2 there is an ene, so at 2 I'll be putting an ene. And then at 3 I'm going to put a methyl, so at 3 I'm going to say a methyl over here. And then balance areas I'm just going to convert it into H over here. So this I just need to check up that whether they are 4 only. I should not make mistake of putting more than 4 valency for one carbon. So this you can see ये 4 हो गया, अभी ये भी 4 हो गया, ये 4 already हुआ है, so यहाँ पे 2 हुआ है, तो यहाँ 2 here, and this will be 3. So this is how you are going to convert a molecular formula or IUPAC name into a structural formula. So both these are connected to each other. They have given a complete list of the nomenclatures for alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and the primary name and everything with the aldehydes. But these are quite simple ones. I would like to do something different. So what I'm doing is that I'm going to give some examples over here. I'm going to do some kind of nomenclature work from another textbook, which is the Concise Chemistry textbook. So in the Concise Chemistry textbook, they are given certain like 18 different examples. So let's see that how these examples are going to be workable for us. So I'll draw the figure and then we will discuss and find out that what is the name which could be given to this particular thing. So उसके बाद में अगर चाहिए तो we can also discuss one or two of the like ketones and ether may not be available here. Yeah, ketones and ethers are not there. Ketone is there. Ether is not there. So अगर कुछ missing है तो we can just add to that particular thing. So let's start this way. I'm going to retain this particular part so that we are aware about what is the thing we are talking about. So we'll retain that part. Okay, so let's see the first one that is given as CH3, CH2, CH3 and here CH3. This is the given to me. So of course my numbering will be 1, 2, 3. It is 3, so it becomes a prop. So it is prop. It's a single bond, so it is ane, right? And the 2 has got a thing, so it is 2-methyl propane. So the name is 2-methyl propane. Quite simple. Got it? So this was the first one. Let's see the next one. It is CH3, CH, CH3, CH, CH3, CH3. So we can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 of them. So again the root. What is the root? Root will be C4 is but. So that is but. All single bond. So ane. So that will be ane. You're having 2 methyls at 2 and 3. So at 2 and at 3, you're having 2 methyls. So it becomes dimethyl butane. Okay. This all will be small letters. I'm just having a habit of writing them. So that's why it is always small letters. There will not be any capital letters in this particular thing. Okay. Let's see the next one. That is C single bond, and then there are here an H, and all these are Cl, 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 Cl. So what will this be? This is 1 and 2. So accordingly, it is 2 means eth. It is normal, so it is ethane because single bond. Now there are 4 chlorines. So because there are 4 chlorine, I will have to name them as tetrachloro. But they are located at what places? 2 at 1 and 2 at 2. So it will be 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2. So it will be 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 tetrachloroethane. That will be the name of this compound. 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 tetrachloroethane. Okay. We move on to the next one. That is even as, okay, the next one is C, 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 double bond O, and you got all other H's over here. Now, let's understand what exactly this is. This you can see is the functional group. What is this functional group? This one, same one, that is ketone. So what is it? It is going to be, this is 1, 2 and 3. So 3 is prop. So it will be P-R-O-P, prop. All single bond. So it is ane. There will be a secondary suffix of 1. So that will be 1. But this 1 is at what level? This is at 2. This is 1, 2 and 3. So that's why I'll write over here 2-O-N-E. So that will be propane 2,1. Okay, it's propane 2,1. Also called as the famous acetone. The acetone is this thing. This is nothing but acetone. This is acetone. Acetone, which is also a nail polish remover. This is the formula for acetone. Propane 2,1. The common name for propane 2,1 is acetone. The acetone is this one. CH3, CO, CH3. Okay. If we write it in the form of condensed formula, it will be CH3, CO, CH3. That is acetone. The next one is, okay, you have now is C, C, triple bond, C, C, and then you have got here as H, 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 H. Okay, so what we have is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is bute. So first thing, the root is bute. It has a triple bond, so it will be a ine. So it will be a triple bond which will be at 1, 2. So 2 pe hai triple bond. So that's why it will be 2 and then will be ine. Is there anything else over here? There is no other functional group or anything. So the name itself is butene. So butene is the name for this particular structure. Got it? We move further for question number 6. It is given as CH3, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, and here it is CH3. So very simple. You know this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5. So it is pent, all single bond. So A-N-E, pentane. And this is at 1, 2 and 3 will be 3-methyl pentane. Very easy. 3-methyl pentane will be the name of this particular compound. Now we can see the next one, that is question number 7. It is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. Here it is CH3. Again the same way you are going to say, now I cannot start from 1, 2, 3, 4 here, it has to be from here because the smallest number. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the number, so it will be hex. Okay, I need some space, so I write it here. Hex, all single bond, so ane, but at point 3 you have got methyl, so that's why it is 3-methyl hexane. Okay, this is 3-methyl hexane. Right? The next one, it is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. Okay. CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH, CH3. This is CH3, CH3. So this is the thing. So we know that we cannot start from here. It has to start from here. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. So it is going to be a hept. So it will be a hept in, because all are single bond. At 2 and 3 I got methyl, so it will be 2, 3 dimethyl heptane. Okay, 2, 3 dimethyl heptane. So that will be 2, 3 dimethyl heptane. The next one, let's see. Okay, it is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. No, sorry, it is C, only C, and then it is CH2, CH3. Here that is CH3, and here also there is CH3. So we know now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be a hexane, because all single bond. You are going to get over here as at 3 both the things, so it will be 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. Okay, 2, 3, 3 dimethyl hexane. Let's see the next one. That is question number 10. That is CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. Okay. So we know over here that these are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is but, so it will be but. Now, the primary suffix is going to be double bond, so ene, which is at 1, 2. At 2 it is there, so it is 2, and then it will be ene. There is nothing else, so that gives us the complete answer as but-2-ene. Clear? Let's see the next one. The next one is CH3, CH, double bond, CH, sorry, double bond C, and then it will be CH3, CH, 2 and CH3. Now the question is that where should start the numbers? The numbers will definitely start from here, because the 2 is here, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So accordingly this will become a pentene, so it will be a pent, but double bond is at 2, so it will be -2-ene, and this is 3-methyl, so it will be 3-methyl pent-2-ene. It will be 3-methyl pent-2-ene, the answer for this one. Let's see the next one. In the next one, they are given as a structural formula. So it is going to be this way: C, 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 and you have got one H, H, H here. Over here, H, 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 H here. Here Cl, and here H, and here H. Okay. Now comes the very, very important part. Chlorine is on 1, but ketone is on 4th from here, if you consider. But always we are going to take these ones. These ones will always be given more priority than these ones. Okay? These ones will be given more priority. Of course, between this two, this is given priority. But between these and these, this is given priority. So accordingly, my number will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a pent, so it will be PEN. 10 नहीं होगा, उसके बदले क्या N होगा, और उसके बाद 2, then 1. So this is pentane 2, 1. But then This 5 chloro will be there, so it will be 5 chloro pentane 2,1. Understood? Very important to understand this part, that यहाँ पे ketone is given the preference for numbering. Ketones, alcohol, aldehydes, oxalic acids, they will be always given a preference of lower number than the chlorides, the halides and the alkyls. So that was the sum number 13. We now move on, it was 12, now we move on to 13th. So that is now going to be CH3, CH2, C, CH2OH, Cl and CH3. Now what do you mean by this? This actually is C, यहाँ पे एक H, इधर एक H और इधर OH. This is exactly what it is. So that means it's an alcohol. See, if they would have written over here as CHO, then अलग हो जाता. यहाँ पे CH2OH लिखा है. OH is a, it's an alcohol. So because it's an alcohol, so of course the alcohol will get the first preference. And here remember that this also is a part of the chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be like this. Accordingly, you will have the number as 4. So 4 it is bute. So it will be bute, single bond. So A और उसके बाद 1 पे है OL. So butane 1 all. Now we have got this 2. So at first is 2. Now we are going to write it alphabetically. So it will be 2 chloro. Then 2 methyl. And then butane 1 all. So that's why the name of this particular will be 2 chloro, 2 methyl, butane 1 all. Okay. We move on to the 14th one now. CH3, CH, then CH3, then it is CH2OH. Very simple now. This is again an alcohol. This is of 3. So accordingly it will be 3 is nothing but propane. So it is propane 1 all 2 methyl. So 2 methyl propane 1 all will be the answer for the 14th one. Let's see the 15th one now. That's a big one. So let's see. CH3, C, CH2, CH, CH2OH, there is a C2H5, this is CH3 and CH3. Now this is very good example. Let's see this. Suppose I draw a structural formula of this, what will happen? It will be like this: C, 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 here C and C, and here C and here C. Okay, this is the structure. Of course, there will be H in all the sides. So I'm not drawing the H right now. Basically, यहाँ पे एक H है, इधर एक H है, इधर H, इधर H, इधर H, right? Whereas here it is H, H, H. So others H I'm not drawing right now. So this is the condition. So if I see, if I want to take the longest chain, it is possible to take a chain like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now okay, one thing is over here. I just need to draw this. So it is H, H and OH. So I can have a thing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. But if I do so, what is happening is that my OH group over here, the important functional group, becomes a branch, which is not possible. You can never have a functional group in a branch. Okay, a branch can never have a functional group. That's why I cannot take this as 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, but I will have to start from here as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Therefore, the name will be a pentane. Okay, it will be a pentane 1-ol. So this will be the pentane 1-ol to give you this much amount of things. Now we are talking about this 2. So 2 pe kya hai? We'll be having a 2. Now methyl comes first because ethyl comes first, so it will be 2 ethyl 4 methyl pentane 1-ol. So the name will be 2 ethyl 4. Now here it is 2. Sorry. There will be 4, 4. There are 2 methyls over here. So it will be 4, 4 dimethyl. Got it? So this is one methyl, this is another methyl. So that's why it will be 2 ethyl, this is ethyl, 4, 4, 2 dimethyl, and then pentane 1-ol. So this was the nomenclature for this one. That was the 15th question. We now move on to the 16th one. It is CH2CHO, single bond C, and then CH3, then CH2, CHO. Okay. So you can see over here, there is a CHO over here and a CHO over here. Means there are 2 functional groups over here. So that means that this whole thing will be one particular continuous chain. So in this case, CHO will also be given, the C of the CHO will also be counted in the root. So the root will have that CH also over here. So we have it as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So accordingly it is a pentane, but I got 2 al's, that is 1, 5, and that's why it will be given as dial. Okay, it will be pentane 1, 5 dial. Got it? That was question number 16. We now move on to question number 17. We have got 2 more. So CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. So in this case, what we see is this is the functional group, which is a ketone group. So yeah, it's simple one. Pent तो है ही, AN बराबर है, ये 2 पे है तो 2 और then 1. Very simple. So it was a simple one. Very simple one. Let's see the next one. That is the last one from this book, and then we can again come to Viraptala. So that is given as CH3, CH2, COOH, and here it is C2H5. So again the same problem. We cannot take this because this is the oic acid. So accordingly it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is nothing but bute. So it will be butane 1 oic acid. और इसके लिए क्या है? तो it is at 2 ethyl. So 2 ethyl butanoic acid, butane 1 oic acid will be the answer for this one. So that was about the thing from here. And now we see the only thing, the ether one, which are not considered earlier. So ether one, we'll just see 1 or 2 of ether ones. So it's clear to you all. So it is like CH3OCH3. This is nothing but, because the both sides are methane, so it will be methyl, so it will be methoxy. Okay, it will be methoxy, and then other side is also methane, so it will be methoxy methane. Okay, suppose it is now this way, that it is C2H5OCH3. In that case it will be, this is ethyl, so it is ethoxy, and here there is methane, so ethoxy methane. Okay, the common name for this particular thing, the tribal name or common name over there will be, for this queen, will be dimethyl ether. And the common name for this will be ethyl methyl ether. Okay, so ether का सिर्फ ये है कि you are going to write both the O के दोनों साइड में जो भी है उसको हम लोग separately लिखेंगे. That is what is there in the nomenclature part. So this was about the nomenclature part of the regular. Very important part. Normally a 5-mark question. So I think this is most important part of the chapter. So we'll just check up. I'll just check thing. Yeah, so I'll end the video over here and we'll continue with the hydrocarbons and the properties of the different hydrocarbons in the next video onwards. So,